Hi everyone, welcome back! Are you ready to dive into the world of NFTs and turn your creativity into digital treasures? Whether you're an artist, a collector, or just curious about the NFT craze, today I'm going to guide you through creating your very own NFT from scratch. Stick around to learn everything you need to know to start your journey in the exciting world of blockchain art. Let's start with the basics. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets stored on a blockchain. They can be anything from artwork and music to memes and virtual real estate. What makes them valuable? It's their uniqueness and the fact that ownership is securely verified. So, if you've got creative talent or a vision for digital collectibles, NFTs are your chance to shine. Now, before we jump into creation, let's gather our tools. Here's what you'll need: a digital wallet. You'll need a wallet like MetaMask to store your NFTs and pay transaction fees. Digital art software, apps like Photoshop, Procreate, or Canva, can help you design your artwork. An NFT marketplace, platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation, let you upload and sell your NFTs. Got everything ready? Great, let's move to the fun part, creating your masterpiece. This is where your creativity comes to life. Create something unique that reflects your style, whether it's a digital painting, a GIF, or even 3D art. Remember, the more original your work, the more likely it will stand out in a crowded market. And if you're not confident in your design skills, don't worry. You can collaborate with an experienced NFT artist to bring your vision to life. Click the link in the description to connect with a talented artist who can help you create something truly stunning. Once your artwork is ready, it's time to mint it as an NFT. Here's how: upload your art. Head to your chosen NFT marketplace and click on Create. Set your metadata, add a title, description, and any relevant details about your art. Pay the gas fee. This is the blockchain transaction cost for minting your NFT. Publish your NFT. Once minted, your art will be live and ready to share or sell. It's as simple as that. Now you're officially an NFT creator. Creating your NFT is just the first step. Now you need to get it noticed. Here are a few tips. Share it on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. Join NFT communities and forums to connect with collectors. Collaborate with other artists or influencers to broaden your reach. Remember, building a strong personal brand can make your NFTs more appealing to buyers. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating your own NFT. From understanding the basics to minting and selling your masterpiece, you're now equipped to step into the NFT universe. If you need help designing your NFT, don't forget to click the link in the description to find an amazing NFT artist. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative.